this is the project which I have built in some like 5 to 6 hours, and this is the part of the internship program of CodeAlpha. So this is the UI and the dashboard built on the Streamlit. First, I have applied exploratory data analysis on the dataset of unemployment in India dashboard. Then I have built this dashboard from Streamlit, and the credit goes to Sarvana Ajmal from nexusberry.com and Krish Naik, which I have learned advanced data analysis from the Udemy bootcamp. So this is the PLT import function, which import just an image. This is the image which I have from matplot just an image showing like change in average unemployment. This is the change in average employment and distribution of unemployment in India. And this is the labor participation. And the last one is unemployment rate. This is pre-COVID and this is during COVID. Okay. So on the sidebar, there's filter. You can select any region from it. Clear any region, and you can select it any region like Delhi, and you can see the analysis here. Okay, and if you clear and select all, like if I refresh it, it will automatically be selected all. Then you can see it the advanced area. This is like mess up. You cannot make any analysis from this. So it is better to clear it and choose only one and see one by one. Okay, so this is then, and you can zoom it and you can out it. We will be seeing the code, and this is select area, the last one. You can select rural or urban. Okay, and this the last one is COVID impact on Indian employment as asked in the internship program, that you have to analyze before what is the impact of. So 14% was the impact before. 14% unemployment was there, and after and the during COVID period, it comes to 22%. Now we will go to the data analysis. First, I will review this. This is the code of the Streamlit. It just built the dashboard, and the analysis is it is. You can review on the GitHub. I have attached the GitHub repo, and you can see it. Okay, so this is the whole data cleaning process, and from this it is data visualization. Okay, and this is the whole data visualization which we have seen in the dashboard. I am making videos so you can if not possible to not waste time on running it on your own. So that's it, and the credit goes to Sarana Ajmal, who sincerely teaches that. Okay.